Hello and welcome to today's morning report. Charts proposals on Wednesday the 14th of September with me, Richard Paramarket, analyst at Handset Markets. We've got a generally sort of neutral outlook on the equity markets in the UK, with the FTSE 100 just mildly higher, about 0.5%. The DAX is also slightly higher, but the CAC is basically flat. We had Wall Street last night, which closed again sharply lower. Actually, markets are getting increasingly erratic in front of this Fed meeting next week. And you've got the dollar that's strengthening on the back of that. You've got not only that, you've got treasury yields which have been pulling higher, especially on the 10-year, which is starting to really have an impact across the 210 spread. And that is, as I said, impacting on the dollar. We're seeing the dollar strongly higher in the last few days, and that is impacting across forex markets, and commodities like oil price, for example, has been dropping, although again it's rebounded a little bit higher today. On a general rule, the oil price has been lower. Now, in terms of what we're looking out for today, we've got UK focus. We've got unemployment data out at 9:30, and the unemployment data is expected to just sit at 4.9% expected on the headline unemployment rate. But interestingly enough, I think we should start to think about the claimant count, which is expected to rise slightly by 1,800 jobs, and also the average hourly earnings, average weekly earnings, which are expected to just dip slightly ex bonus basis to 2.2%. So those are the key figures that we need to be looking out for. But then we're also looking out for the oil inventories, which last week had a massive drawdown of 4.5 million barrels, but that's expected to increase on the weekly basis by 4 million barrels there today. So that's what we've got to look forward to today. And that takes me to my chart today, which is Euro Sterling. Now, Euro Sterling has been sort of pulling higher as a general rule, slightly range bound, but with mild high highs and higher lows. But this is the pivot band 84.90 that we need to be looking out for, basically around about where we're trading at the moment, but closed above that yesterday. This pivot band has been in place for the past sort of 2 months, really, capping on several occasions the daily highs and also preventing losses. So moving above that means you're moving into a more positive outlook. You're sort of broken this downtrend, and you're moving above the 50 line on the RSI. You're moving strongly on the stochastics, and the MACD lines are looking to turn up. So the outlook is improving on Euro Sterling. This is the hourly chart where you can see the support coming in around that 84.90 level today, but I think little corrections are a chance to buy on Euro Sterling now. You've got minor support coming back in around that 84.40 level, but the key level coming in at 84.15. So a few levels for you to work with on the upside, on the downside of support. On the upside, we're looking out for resistance coming in at 85.70. A breakthrough that would reopen the highs. And with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. There'll be a lot of volatility around this employment data, but also the retail sales and Bank of England tomorrow. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.